Alright guys, welcome to 4.6 Savage. Now today we are going to be installing the sway bar. Now, I open the car door. As you can see, my mess in here. Where did I set it? There we go. This is my 4 nuts for my sway bar. Now here we're going to go ahead and get us a light. So there's a light in there. If we can get it to hook up right. Alright. I'm gonna grab our sway bar and our links. Of course those just fell, but we don't need those right now. Just gonna mount the sway bar. Now this is the first time I've mounted the sway bar to the control arms. That is because I couldn't find the brackets at the time. Well, the bolts for the brackets at the time. And that's used to falling all the time. So, I'm gonna put the sway bar up. And stick it around everything. This really doesn't want to cooperate, does it? Okay. Wherever did I put that back? There it is. So we are going to stick the sway bar up like that. Flip it around like this, and this is going to go right here like that, like so. So we're going to move it again. Grab this and grab a nut. We're going to hoist it up onto the studs, which is easy. Push this up here. Make sure that's like that. Very difficult to do it by yourself, but sometimes you got to do things by yourself. Now, push the sway bar up. Take a nut. Start your nut. One nut started. Gonna go. Start the other nut. Well, these aren't cooperating very well. But now that the nuts are started, you can drop the sway bar. Now you'll move to the other side, and of course, me being an idiot, should have already checked this, but didn't. About what size nut they were, so I could just run them in. But there's still a nut in there. Okay. Now we go over here. Look at what size nut it is. It's a 17. It's great. So grab that. Grab our 17 wrench. And we're gonna need a deep well. We're going to grab our 17 deep well. And checking to make sure I got it set right. I have a bad problem with that, guys. Now we'll go and mount the other side. This is I'm trying to make this video as quick as I can. And with this side, I'll just go and come down here. Pop the plug out of wherever the plug is. And go ahead and sway bar up. Oh, we should have stuck it through the power steering lines there. It's alright. Okay, that is there. Go. So you're most likely going to have to move the sway bar through the links, through these, get around everything. Should have checked the other side for placement over here, but that's fine. So, go above 1, above 2, there you go. Now do that. It's perfect. Now we go get our other thing. We got our 2 nuts. Go and grab our other thing. And our other 1/2-inch ratchet, because I like this one a little bit better. And go and put it back in the middle. One side. Now we drop. Here's 2. Get spin on. No runaway bolts. So I'll grab this, and we'll go ahead and go in and that in. Alright, like this. Should have got me an extension, but that's fine. Go underneath, and we'll go ahead and run these in. Take the ratchet and is that a 1/4 inch? No, it is not. It's okay, let's go find an extension real quick. An extension and the electric impact right here. Work well. So since we're on this side, we'll just zip these up into place and torque them down by hand. See, we just torque them down in there. Torque them right back down to the frame and get that around there. That's how we do that side. And come in and do it this side. And just go zip. take a ratchet and we'll double check them. Let's snug them up a little bit. Okay, these are poly bushings, by the way, so everything I have on my car is poly and spherical bushings. I will be upgrading my tie rod ends next. They will be getting bump steer kits. Okay, so now we go and we get the links. As you can see, we have these poly links here. And just go ahead and disassemble them and put them in the same way we've got the sway bar right now. So, yeah, disassemble all of them with everything the same way it is here. You'll drop the bolt through. Drop it through. You'll add your top bushings and your shaft. And your bottom ring and a bushing. Bottom ring and a bushing. And from there, you drop it in the hole. Then it'll be a whole thing right there. Once the threads grab, I don't think this is probably a 15, 19 right there, 3/4. But we'll go do the other side real quick. And then we'll tighten them down. And when we tighten them down, want them tight so we can press the links. Now these are poly, you can compress them a lot more than you can compress rubber. So, back again, we do there. There. I knew. There. There and there. It's here and here. So, get that nut started. And it should be a 13 and a 13. So, get a 13 wrench. It should be 15. Let's see. It'll be a 15 and a 15. My bad. So, get yourself a 15 socket. This will be a deep well, and let's tighten it right up. Okay. Alright, now we can press our links. So, go here, put our link hole. Press. I like my suspension stiff. So, get them real nice and tight. That can decompress in like that. See, those are real nice, tight. Now go back over and do the same to this side. Okay. Hoping y'all can see that. Back. Alright. As you can see, sometimes the nut doesn't catch. You gotta put it back up there. And restart it. Start this. And it happened again. Alright. So it's not be on correctly. Get that. We get this. Let me screw it up in there. Okay. And hold that. There we go. Now we compress our link. As you can see it compressing. As it compresses, you won't need your top wrench anymore. See, it squishes it nice and good. Alright, now for all of you, just a quick explanation. When I changed my bushings, I went from poly sway bar bushings, and then I moved into poly link bushings. They helped me when I was changing lanes and excuse me, changing lanes and shifting and driving all around. Now, they're very stiff and I love them to death. But that's going to be all for this video. Like and subscribe, and remember, be savage.